A strong, well-developed back is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also crucial for overall strength and posture. We will delve into the top 3 back exercises that can transform your physique and enhance your functional fitness. Whether you're a seasoned gym goer or just starting your fitness journey, incorporating these exercises into your routine can yield remarkable results. From the powerhouse deadlifts to the challenging pull-ups and sculpting bent-over rows, we'll guide you through proper form, variations, and tips for maximum effectiveness. Get ready to strengthen your foundation and take your fitness to new heights. Make sure to stay until the end to find out all the best information, and remember, at Beyond Living, we provide the best information and actionable and functional guides for all facets of healthy living, vitality, and fitness. Also, check out the awesome products that are running exclusive limited time deals just for our viewers here at Beyond Living in the description and in the top pinned comments that we recommend for all our viewers for vitality, healthy living, and fitness. Like, comment, and subscribe as it greatly helps the channel. Number 1. Deadlifts, the king of back exercises. When it comes to building a strong and resilient back, deadlifts reign supreme as the undisputed champion. This compound movement engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously, making it a powerhouse exercise for overall strength and muscle development. 1. Technique and form. Deadlifts involve lifting a weighted barbell or object from the ground to a standing position. To execute this movement safely and effectively, start by standing with your feet shoulder width apart, toes pointing slightly outward. Bend at the hips and knees to lower your body down, keeping your back straight and chest up. Grip the barbell with hands shoulder width apart, palms facing down or mixed grip, one palm facing up, one facing down. Engage your core and drive through your heels as you lift the barbell, extending your hips and knees until you reach a standing position. 2. Muscles targeted. Deadlifts primarily target the posterior chain, including the lower back, glutes, hamstrings, and traps. Additionally, it engages the core, forearms, and grip strength to stabilize the movement throughout. 3. Variations. There are several variations of the deadlift, including the conventional deadlift, sumo deadlift, Romanian deadlift, and trap bar deadlift. Each variation places emphasis on slightly different muscle groups and may cater to individual preferences or limitations. 4. Tips for safe and effective deadlifting. Ensure proper alignment by keeping your spine neutral and avoiding rounding or arching of the back. Start with lighter weights to master the technique before progressing to heavier loads. Focus on driving through the heels and maintaining tension in the hamstrings and glutes throughout the movement. Incorporate adequate warm-up sets to prepare your muscles and joints for the intensity of deadlifting. Incorporating deadlifts into your workout routine can lead to significant improvements in strength, muscle mass, and overall athleticism. However, it's crucial to prioritize proper form and technique to minimize the risk of injury and maximize results. Number 2. Pull-ups, building upper body strength. Pull-ups are a classic yet challenging exercise that targets the muscles of the upper body, particularly the back and arms. While they may seem daunting at first, mastering this bodyweight movement can lead to substantial gains in strength and muscle definition. 1. Proper pull-up form. To perform a pull-up, start by gripping an overhead bar with hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart, palms facing away from you, overhand grip. Hang from the bar with arms fully extended, engaging your core muscles. Initiating the movement, pull yourself upward by bending your elbows and bringing your chest towards the bar. Pause briefly at the top of the movement before lowering yourself back down to the starting position in a controlled manner. 2. Muscles engaged. Pull-ups primarily target the latissimus dorsi, lats, which are the large muscles of the back responsible for pulling movements. Additionally, pull-ups engage the muscles of the arms, including the biceps, forearms, and shoulders, as well as the muscles of the core for stabilization. 3. Progressions for beginners to advanced. If you're new to pull-ups, start with assisted variations using resistance bands or a pull-up assist machine. As you gain strength, gradually decrease the assistance until you can perform unassisted pull-ups. Other progressions include chin-ups, palms facing towards you, and wide grip pull-ups to target different muscle groups. 4. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Avoid swinging or using momentum to lift yourself up, as this reduces the effectiveness of the exercise and increases the risk of injury. Focus on controlled, smooth movements and avoid arching your back or excessively shrugging your shoulders. Maintain tension in your core throughout the movement to stabilize your body and prevent excessive swinging. Incorporating pull-ups into your workout routine can help you build impressive upper body strength and muscle definition. With patience, practice, and proper form, you'll be on your way to mastering this challenging yet rewarding exercise. Number 3. Bent over rows. Sculpting a powerful back bent over rows are a dynamic exercise that targets the muscles of the upper and mid-back, helping to sculpt a strong and defined physique. This compound movement not only strengthens the back, but also engages the muscles of the arms and core for a comprehensive workout. 1. Execution and form. To perform bent over rows, start by standing with your feet shoulder width apart, holding a barbell or dumbbells in front of you with an overhand grip, palms facing down. Hinge at the hips to lean forward until your torso is nearly parallel to the ground, keeping your back straight and core engaged. With a slight bend in your knees, pull the weight towards your lower chest by retracting your shoulder blades and bending your elbows. Pause briefly at the top of the movement before lowering the weight back down in a controlled manner. 2. Targeted muscles. Bent over rows primarily target the muscles of the upper back, including the rhomboids, trapezius, and rear deltoids. Additionally, it engages the muscles of the lower back, biceps, and forearms for stabilization and support throughout the movement. 3. Equipment options. Bent over rows can be performed using various equipment, including barbells, dumbbells, or even resistance bands. Each option provides a slightly different feel and may cater to individual preferences or limitations. 4. Modifications for different fitness levels. For beginners or those with limited mobility, starting with lighter weights or performing the exercise with proper form is key. As you gain strength and confidence, gradually increase the weight or incorporate different variations, such as single arm rows or incline rows, to challenge your muscles in new ways. Incorporating bent over rows into your workout routine can help you develop a strong and balanced back, improve posture, and enhance overall athletic performance. With focus on form and consistency, you'll be on your way to achieving your fitness goals and building a powerful physique. Now let's discuss a sample back workout routine. To maximize the benefits of these top 3 back exercises, consider incorporating them into a well-rounded workout routine. Below is a sample workout plan to help you strengthen and sculpt your back muscles effectively. A. Warm-up. Begin with 5 to 10 minutes of cardiovascular activity, such as brisk walking, jogging, or cycling, to increase blood flow and prepare your muscles for exercise. Follow this with dynamic stretches targeting the back, shoulders, and arms to improve flexibility and mobility. B. Main workout. Deadlifts. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 8-12 repetitions, focusing on maintaining proper form and engaging the target muscles throughout each set. 2. Pull-ups. Complete 3 sets of as many repetitions as possible with good form. If unable to perform pull-ups, start with assisted variations or use resistance bands for assistance. 3. Bent over rows. Include 3 sets of 10-15 repetitions, ensuring a full range of motion and squeezing the shoulder blades together at the top of each rep. C. Cool down. Conclude your workout with 5 to 10 minutes of light cardio to gradually lower your heart rate. Follow this with static stretches targeting the back, shoulders, and arms to aid in muscle recovery and prevent stiffness. D. Frequency and rest days. Aim to train your back muscles 2 to 3 times per week, allowing for at least 1 day of rest between sessions to promote muscle recovery and growth. By following this sample back workout routine consistently and progressively, increasing the intensity over time, you'll build strength, improve muscle definition, and achieve your fitness goals effectively. Let's discuss tips for maximizing results and preventing injury. While incorporating the top 3 back exercises into your workout routine can yield significant benefits, it's essential to prioritize safety and proper technique to avoid injury and maximize results. Here are some tips to help you get the most out of your back workouts. A. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body feels during exercises and adjust the intensity or technique accordingly. If you experience pain or discomfort beyond normal muscle fatigue, stop the exercise and seek guidance from a fitness professional. B. Gradually increase weight and intensity. Progressively overload your muscles by gradually increasing the weight or resistance used in your workouts. Aim to challenge yourself without sacrificing proper form and avoid making drastic jumps in weight that could lead to injury. C. Ensure proper form at all times. Maintain proper posture and technique throughout each exercise to target the intended muscles effectively and minimize the risk of injury. Focus on engaging the muscles of the back and avoiding compensatory movements or excessive momentum. D. Incorporate rest and recovery into your routine. Allow your muscles adequate time to rest and recover between workouts to prevent overtraining and promote muscle growth. Get plenty of sleep, stay hydrated, and consider incorporating activities such as yoga or foam, rolling to aid in muscle recovery and flexibility. By following these tips and prioritizing safety and proper technique in your back workouts, you can minimize the risk of injury and achieve optimal results in terms of strength, muscle definition, and overall fitness. Remember that consistency and patience are key, and always consult with a qualified fitness professional if you have any questions or concerns about your training regimen. Let's conclude. Incorporating the top 3 back exercises, deadlifts, pull-ups, and bent-over rows into your fitness routine can unlock a new level of strength, stability, and overall wellness. By prioritizing proper form, gradually increasing intensity, and listening to your body, you'll sculpt a powerful back while minimizing the risk of injury. Whether you're aiming to improve athletic performance, enhance your physique, or simply prioritize your back health, consistency is key. So take the first step today and commit to integrating these exercises into your workouts. Strengthen your foundation, embrace the challenge, and unleash your full potential.